Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. We wish you all a very good morning on this bright and beautiful day. We have all gathered today to a bid farewell and adieu to our kindergartens with a heavy heart. We are also happy that our children have enjoyed their kindergartens here in our care. Dear parents, we extend a very warm welcome to you on our kindergarten graduation ceremony. Respected Principal Miss Seema Gupta ma'am, teachers, and all you wonderful parents, we are extremely happy to see you all here today on this very special day. We begin this special ceremony with our school prayer. May I call upon Edan, Gargi, Laksh, and Bhavika to recite our school prayer.
Hand in hands and all together walking, walking. We're black and white and brown together walking, walking. Singing new songs and living new life. Building youth with courageous and walking Jesus my heart. And with the Lord, we are walking in the morning. We start the house. Singing to the Lord, we are singing in the sunshine. Lift up your hearts, singing to the Lord.
Thank you, children. So, here we have our kindergartners to say something to their parents, teachers, and grandparents.
So, your children, I want everyone to do this action with me. Okay? Are you all ready, kids? Okay, so
Show your thumbs up.
let's start, kids. Everyone.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
2 little words.
Everyone.
2 little words. 2 little words. Knocking on here. 1, 2 little words. Teachers, moms, teachers, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright. How to take our turn. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do, we just wanna say thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you,
children. It
Very
was
good.
absolutely delightful. Now, I request our principal, Miss Seema Gupta ma'am, to set up a contest for this event.
Thank you, Lekha. A very warm and happy good morning to each one of you. It has been a nice journey. No doubt, I never thought that this is a new normal where we will be having a virtual graduation day. We have been hosting graduation day every year, but this year has been a special year, the reason being a virtual one. I must say, kudos to our small kids. They have done a great job. They are the actual Corona warriors. They have sailed through this journey. You know, normally we say that when challenges are there, our kids really do well. And that's what our kids did. A big thank you to all of you parents. A very big thank you because you were there next to your child, giving the support which they needed. Our teachers were doing their best, but it would not have been possible without you all being there. Today also I can see you all sitting next to your child, and it has been a good learning experience for each one of us. I could see the mom singing the song, and that is what matters at the end of the day. It has been a team of parent, the student, and the teacher who worked together, and during this pandemic also we were unstoppable. So kudos to you all, and a big thank you to each one of you, students, parents, and the teachers as well. A big thank you. You came up with flying colors, I must say. And today, for the parents and for the student, it's a very important day. The reason being, you're stepping from preschool to the primary. I, as the principal of the school, welcome you all students to the class 1. It will be again a very nice journey. I can assure you that. Your teachers love you all, and we know that you are the one who will do the best. And I'm sure the parents will always be there to support us. So a big thank you. And as we embark into 21-22, I wish the parents, the teachers, and the students all the best. And all the best for this important graduation ceremony, which is an important event for each one of us. For the teachers, it is departing. You know, the children are leaving the preschool and going to the primary. And for the children, it is an next step, the important step towards the primary section. So all the best to each one of you, and all the best to the parents as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now it's time to meet our little graduates. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes. So here we have our little graduates, and our first graduate is Gargi Ratnaparki. Gargi is a soft-spoken and gentle student. She focuses in class and wholeheartedly participates in the class.
Keep
She is a
clapping.
very she is a very active student with lots of creativity. Well done, Gargi. Keep it up. Our next graduate is Anuj Gaikwad. Anuj is a keen listener. He shows curiosity and interest in exploring his surroundings. He enjoys singing songs and rhymes. Well done, Anuj. Meet
Clap,
our
clap.
next graduate,
Thank you, ma'am.
Shubhra Chauhan. Welcome. Shubhra is a cheerful student. She is very imaginative and loves to create new rhymes. She is curious to explore and learn new concepts. Well done, Shubhra. Keep it up. Meet our next graduate, Adav Palani Kumar. Adav is an energetic child and makes friends quickly. He works independently on assignments. He follows directions promptly and accurately. Well done, Adav. Keep it up. Meet our next graduate, Paridhi Jarwal. Paridhi is an enthusiastic child. She has remarkable grasping power. She is very eager to finish any work given to her. She is very thoughtful and caring. Well done, Paridhi. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Meet our next graduate, Edan Dev. Edan is a polite and responsible child. He is gifted with a good vocabulary and actively participates in every activity. He always comes up with very creative answers during the classroom activities. Well done, Edan.
Very
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Meet our next graduate, Parinita Patil. Parinita is a polite child. She has shown a strong desire and will to better herself in every aspect. She enjoys story time session. Well done, Parinita. Meet our next graduate, Laksh Chaudhary. Laksh is a very active and energetic learner. He participates in conversation and discussion and enjoys learning new words. He is very prompt in helping others. Well done. Keep it up, Laksh. Meet our next graduate, Bhavika Gangve. Bhavika is a pleasant and friendly child. She enjoys learning new words and grasps concepts readily. She enjoys artwork. Well done, Bhavika. Good job. Meet our next graduate, Dhruva Zadav. Welcome. Dhruva is a happy and cheerful child who always enters the class with a smile. He works independently with speed and accuracy. He listens with interest and concentration. Well done, Dhruva. Meet our next graduate, Miraya Mutkave. Miraya is a sweet and cooperative child and shows keen interest in the classroom activities. She always has a very positive attitude and a smiling face. She loves singing and dancing. Well done, Miraya. Keep it up. Meet our next graduate, Gargi Kolte. Gargi is a sweet and cooperative child. She enjoys activities in the classroom. She has a special aptitude for art and craft activities. Well done, Gargi. Good job. Keep it up. Congratulations, little graduates.
a big round of applause for all of you. Congratulations. Well done, children. Proud of you all. You've become a graduate now. You can hold your cap like this and say, yes, I'm a graduate. Yes, hold your cap like this and say, I'm a graduate.
Like this,
Hold your cap from one corner. I'm a graduate. Yes, lovely. Yes, that's
Okay.
it. I'm a graduate. Good.
Thank you. A bright future awaits our kindergartners to dream big and wish hard. Every dream begins with a dreamer. Go ahead, dream big, reach the sky, and change the world. So let's see what is the dream of our kindergartners.
Great dreamers we have here.
I grew up, I wanted to be an astronaut because traveling into the space is my passion. When I grow up, I want to become mechanical engineer because I like machines and models. When I grow up, I want to study robotics because I want to design robots. Thank you. it because I love experimenting, exploring things around. Thank you. When I grow up, I want to become a IPS officer because I want to keep the public safe. Thank you. When I grow up, I want to become an astronaut because I want to travel into space, the spacecraft, and study about the universe. Thank you.
Wow, great.
I want to become a doctor because I love to do operations.
Oh,
When
great.
I grow up, I want to become an IPS officer because I serve my country. When I
Oh,
grow up, I want to become a district collector to
oh,
serve my people. When I
good.
grow up, I want to become astronaut because I see the sun, the moon, the planets, everything out there beyond Earth. Thank you. When I grow up, I want to become a veterinary doctor because I love animals.
Good.
Well done, graduates. Well done. So, please, parents, can you give them a big round of applause to your children's? Yes, their dreams are so big. Yes. Hope you will surely become what you want. Now, our students are going to express gratitude towards their teachers, and parents are sharing the journey of their child in preschool.
I am Pramod Chavan. I am a father of Shubha Pramod Chavan. About Universal High School is the our one best school. Universal High School having good environment to learn and to play with the student, with the staff, family. They are arranging very beautiful programs. They are taking care of all the students like their parents. Universal High School is the make a beautiful, bright future to all students. So may I give best luck to all the students and Universal High School. Thank you. We are the part of Universal High School. Thank you.
It is a big platform for all students. With education, all the other activities are held here. I am very satisfied because I gave a bright future to my children in the form of Universal High School.
Today, I complete pre-primary school. I am happy to join first class, but I sad my two teachers are not there. Lekha ma'am and Manpreet ma'am, you are my first and best teacher. Love you, miss you.
A big thank you to the teachers.
Thank you, ma'am.
A big thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, Lekha. Well done, Manpreet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Proud of you both.
For this lovely video.
Thank you, parents, and thank you, children, for these lovely wishes. Okay? A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkle them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. This day wouldn't be complete without a teacher telling a student what each of them means to them. Now, our teacher coming to wish bright future to all our graduates.
Come on, children, clap, clap, clap for them. Clap for your teachers. Yes.
Good luck, goodbye. Remember the good times. Good luck, goodbye. Remember the good times. Now that you're moving on. Now that you're moving on. Now that you're moving on, goodbye. Good luck, goodbye. We promise not
not to cry. Good luck, goodbye. We promise not to cry. Now that you're moving on, now that you're moving on, now that you're moving on, goodbye. You've been a credit, you've been a star. We won't forget you wherever you are. Goodbye, farewell, my friend. Good luck, goodbye. Remember the good times. Good luck, goodbye. Remember the good times. Now that you're moving on. Now that you're moving on. Now that you're moving on, goodbye.
Well done, nice. Now, I request our principal, Ms. Seema Gupta ma'am, to share her valuable words with us.
Thank you. It has been a very nice journey. No doubt, it was virtual. We never thought that we'll be sitting like this and interacting with you all children and with you all parents. No doubt, there was a silver lining in this that we were interacting with the parents also. When we were physically meeting, it was only we were meeting the children. But this time we got an opportunity to interact with you all. You were there sitting next to your child. So, and I must say that this virtual learning helped the child to learn so much. You know, I could see when I was attending the classes, I could see the children saying, ma'am, you're not audible, ma'am, she has left. You know, these were the things like my preschool kids saying. And that's why we say that it was boon in a disguise. We learned many more things. Children have become very, very, tech savvy. But the thing is, when it comes to this, we have also developed this bond which was there, between a teacher and the child, between the teacher and the parents. No doubt today, children, when you are moving from the pre-primary to the primary, I can see the teachers feeling sad. No doubt, you're in the same school, you will get an opportunity to meet your teachers. So don't worry, they will be there to support you. They will be there to encourage you, right? So don't worry about that. But now, a new challenge for you all, new beginning for you all. And I want you all to start with positivity. The thing is, you have to tell yourself, yes, I can do it. We at Universal, as a parent, as a student, and as a teacher, we never stopped, right? To start with, when the pandemic started, it was like what to do. But we found out a way. And we were unstoppable. Education never stopped for you all. You were learning, you were performing, the competitions were going on, the activities were conducted. So hats off to you all children. And the best part was there, you were there ready for the class every day, every morning. And thanks to the parents who were grooming them and who were making them sit right in the front of the laptop or the mobile. So this would not have been possible without your support. And I must say a big thank you to all the parents and children. You must thank your teachers. And for that, I want you all to give a universal clap for your teachers. Now, since you have graduated and you have come to class 1, you need to give an universal clap to your teachers, Manpreet ma'am and Lekha ma'am. And Ravi ma'am is also there, who has been helping and guiding us. So I want all the students and the parents to give an universal clap for all of them. Chalo, let's start. Shall we
Even
start?
for our principal ma'am also.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So we'll start with it. Ready? Let's have the universal clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, when we started the virtual classes, it was difficult because teachers were new to this. No doubt, our school is an I school. Teachers are tech savvy, but they never conducted the classes like this, the e-classes. But we took it as a challenge, and teachers did it. I'm sure all the parents will agree the teachers did a great job, whether it was about the academics, whether it was the activities. And the children, they were there dancing, singing, everything going on a daily basis as if it's a regular school. Although we are at home, but the thing is, we were awake and we were ready to just go on. And this journey continues in 21-22. I hope this pandemic comes to an end and we all meet physically in the school. Looking forward to that day. I can understand. I saw my class 10 coming and I could see a change in 1 year. They look so grown up. So I think when you all come also, you will be slightly different from what you are. But the thing is, thanks to this, the Google Meet where we are interacting with each other on a daily basis. So congratulations, graduates. I'll give you a key to success before we conclude over here. And it is for each one of us, for the teachers, for the parents, and especially for my students. The key to success: hard work. There is no shortcut to the hard work, children. You need to do the hard work. First thing. Second thing is be sincere, very sincere. Whatever your parents tell you, whatever your teachers tell you, do that. Be sincere, right? Third thing is be very honest. Very, very important. Be honest to yourself. At times there are people, nobody is watching you, but you need to be honest to yourself because you know that even if nobody is watching, in universe there is some power which is watching us. I hope you all agree, right? So what is it? Hard work, right? Very important, right? Sincere. Be sincere and be honest. If you do this, you will be successful. And I want each one of you to succeed in life. So all the best. All the best, children. Love you all. Love you. Love you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes.
Anuj?
this gift for all teachers.
Oh,
Thank you.
very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful,
you.
beta. And I would like the parents also to share their views. Few of the parents had sent the recording, but I would like you all to share it right now. It's our forum wherein we all are there. I want to listen to you all, parents. I want to listen to you all. Aapka experience, how did you feel, how the child is doing, what is the progress of your child, आप और आगे क्या चाहते हैं, please do tell. Who will start with it? That the parent gets a star, gold star from my side. Whoever starts. Yes, ma'am. Gargi's mom wants to start with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, Gargi joined this school last year itself,
Right.
but she is eagerly waiting to come physically to school
I
and
know.
enjoy with all her friends, teachers, and everybody.
We are
She's just
waiting to
eagerly
welcome
waiting
them.
for that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
She
you so
enjoyed
much.
all the sessions and everything this year. And
Okay.
she's really happy that she is in Universal School.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you are a part of our family, universal family, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Anush's mom? Yes, ma'am. बोलना चाहेंगे कुछ? हम सुनना चाहते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Since from 2 years.
Just your camera? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसा लग
Since
रहा है आपको?
from
कैसा
2
लग रहा है?
years.
बच्चा ग्रेजुएट हो गया आज. How do you feel?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम. From 2 years, my child is there. From 2 years.
Right.
He become a very star talented.
Good. 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 Ma'am, happy for Anuj. Happy for Anuj. Anuj is doing so good. Shubhra. Shubhra's mom want to say something. बोलेंगे ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
नहीं, शुभ्रा नर्सरी से है क्लास में.
हाँ.
उसने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और मैम भी बहुत सपोर्टिव है.
Yeah.
लेखा और मनप्रीत मैम दोनों भी.
Congratulations, Manpreet. Congratulations, Lekha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Paridhi's father, I can see. Yes, sir. आप बोलिए please. हम आपको भी सुनना चाहेंगे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Madam, Paridhi is based and Paridhi मिस कर रही है स्कूल आना और फ्रेंड के साथ जो आपके वहाँ जो गेम्स कुछ और जो कार्यक्रम होते हैं आपके वो मिस कर रही है. फ्रेंड के साथ जो उनका खेलना है हर दिन वो घर पे है और मैम का भी बेस्ट सपोर्ट है. दोनों मैम का अच्छे पढ़ाती है मैम. कुछ हुआ तो भी परिधि को समझ आता है.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, given the situation, we'll give you the best. Don't worry. Universal is unstoppable. Universal will find out various new ways also so that they, they learn as much as they can. Yes?
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
I must say, Lekha ma'am and Manpreet ma'am have handled the children so nicely that children have started taking interest in all these online classes and their studies and everything.
Yeah, because I came across various, parents. They were saying, no, online classes, the child is not learning. I told you, see in my classes how the child is doing. Even the preschool kid is doing every activity. You're talking about play modeling, drawing, dance, music, everything. What not is being done. Yes.
But the credit goes to all the teachers, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Others, mom or dad? Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please unmute your mic.
Yeah, unmute your mic, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you so much. How are you?
Yeah, we are good. Whole family are good actually.
Yes, great.
Those knowledge much more improvement.
Great.
For technical terms also, much more important.
I know they become tech savvy. They know more than you all and more than us.
Actually, we are not giving laptop, phone, anything.
Yes.
After online classes, now the technical skills much more improvement.
Yeah, that's good, sir. Ma'am, that's going to actually help.
Yeah. Teachers are so cooperative and then helpful, everything. So that side only thank you for everyone. Thank you for everything. Thank you, ma'am.
Edan's mom, you want to say something? Yes, ma'am, I can see you. Yes. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm also having nice experience, ma'am. Till now, he didn't come to school. Physically, he didn't come, but also he is doing very well. I think
you are connected with Universal. Still, you feel right. We give you that feeling so that you don't miss out on that experience as well.
These madams are also very, very supportive. And today morning, he is saying, "I don't want new madams. I'm only wanting madam with me." He is saying like that.
Madams are also good, Edan. Don't worry. Okay, they are also good. Okay.
Okay, nice experience, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Bhavika's mom is there. Dad is there. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, adjust your camera and so that we can see you. Yeah, that's lovely.
भाविका ने बहुत कुछ लर्न किया है मैम और वो बहुत सपोर्टिंग रहे लेखा मैम और वो हर चीज बताते हैं क्या करना है कैसे करना है. हर चीज अगर वो ऑनलाइन भी नहीं है तो फोन करके बोलते हैं मैम. मनप्रीत मैम, लेखा मैम, बहुत सपोर्टिव है.
Great. Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll be always there. And anybody else? Gargi's mom?
Gargi Kolte.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम. गार्गी में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुए. लेखा मैम और मनप्रीत मैम का बहुत सपोर्टिव करती है. ऑनलाइन होके भी गार्गी में बहुत प्रोग्रेस हुआ है.
Very good, ma'am. That was the motive. so that the child should not miss out on anything. A situation demanded that we could not have them in the school, and we also cannot come in the school. We thought that this is the best way, so that child doesn't miss out on an important year of their life. Very important for all of us. Anybody else wants to add? If I have missed out on anyone, did I?
मैम शुभ्रा मुझे पूछ रही थी, मैम ने उस दिन मिस यू बोला, तो वो बोली मैं तो उसी स्कूल में रहने वाली हूँ.
हाँ वही तो, वो मिलेंगे, मैम मिलेंगे. डोंट वरी शुभ्रा, मैम मिलेंगे आपको. हाँ ओके, इट्स ओनली दैट यू आर मूविंग फ्रॉम. यस यस मैम.
I also miss you, ma'am.
You're going to miss. And I'll say all the parents. You know, anybody else want to add something?
I miss you.
You're going to miss. Oh, Lekha and Manpreet, you are lucky teachers, huh? Now, one more thing. You know, all the parents said that ma'ams were very supportive. I you know, agree with you all. The ma'ams were there helping you, guiding the children, and they did quite. But I must add over there, a big support was there from you all parents.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Right? If you were not sitting next to the child, it would have been practically impossible for our teachers also to do what they did. So a big thank you once again. And no doubt, we will be in touch. And you're coming to class 1 children, so I'll be meeting you. Your teachers will also meet, but it's an important step where you're going from preschool to primary. So congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to all the parents.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Thank
Anuj.
you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. बोलिए.
अनुज का टैलेंट और उसकी होशियारी बहुत सारी बातों से झलकती है मैम. जब भी वो खेलने के लिए नीचे जाता है, तो ऑल पेरेंट्स जो भी अभी प्रॉब्लम में है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस किसी की होती नहीं है, तो जो भी वो कुछ बोलता है, तो सभी बोलते हैं कि ये कौन से स्कूल में है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मेरा बेटा यूनिवर्सल हाई स्कूल में पढ़ता है.
मैम उनको ना एक बार ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दिखा दीजिएगा कि किस तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को.
नहीं मैम, मैं व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस पे जब भी ये करती हूँ, उसका स्टेटस जब भी अपलोड करती हूँ, सभी लोगों ने, बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है कि आपका बच्चा कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ता है. तब मुझे बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है मैम.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. We are grateful to you.
मैंने बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट दिया है मेरे अनुज के लिए, और मेरी बेटी भी वहाँ पर है.
Okay. हाँ, correct. Yes, I know. And I'm sure these kids will have a very bright career. Astronaut बनना चाहते हैं, scientist बनना चाहते हैं, engineer बनना चाहते हैं, क्या नहीं बनना चाहते हैं. And I wish all the best to each one of them. No doubt, this आज जो बनना चाह रहे हैं ना, वो 3 साल के बाद में change भी होगा, no doubt about it. But the thing is, aiming high should be the solution. You know, each one of you aim high, children, and do well. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. All our blessings are there with you all. Go confidently and reach your dreams. Our kindergarten graduates are moving on to a new discovery. Come on, parents, let's give them a big round of applause. And we are
well done, children. Proud of you all. Happy to see you graduating today. Congratulations to the parents and the students and to the teachers.
Thank you.
We are extremely grateful to our parents for spending their valuable time with us. We would like to take the opportunity to our sincere gratitude to our chairman, Mr. Jesus Lal Sir, our director, Ms. Pinky Pujari ma'am, our respected principal, Ms. Seema Gupta ma'am, and our head coordinator, Ms. Ravindra Pereira ma'am, for their timely guidance and support. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being with us all the time and for supporting us with this.